We're gonna bake a cake.
But we're gonna do it. My mouth is gonna be covered.
I can't hear.
And I won't be able to see.
So let's get started.
Let's get this baking going on. All right.
Do you guys even know how to? No, that's okay.
I can't hear you.
No. I think it's like 350. Is it 350?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
It's good, yeah. Oh, it's at 350.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's turned on. I don't know.
No. It has to say 350 on there. On the screen.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. And then
What's
it
next?
says preheat. Does it say preheat? Okay. What do the comments say? What do the comments say? Can you read it? The comments? No? No? Okay.
Alright. Set oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Coat bottom of pan with non-stick cooking spray or shortening and flour dusting.
I have butter. You can put butter.
Butter.
But I don't know if we should put it in the little one or in the big one.
Step 2. Beat cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in bowl with mixture on medium speed for 2 minutes. Pour batter into pans.
Where's the thing?
Okay.
Okay.
Do I put
Where's
the
the
thing?
mix? Give me the mix. Are we saying or no? Can somebody get it?
Oh, it's
See,
butter.
Okay.
Scissors. I don't know what scissors
There,
are.
there. Right there.
Alright, I guess I'm supposed to be talking.
Yeah.
What is this?
What does it say? What does it
Hey,
say?
we're putting the whole thing?
Yeah, what does it say? No? What does the comments say?
I don't know what you're saying, bro.
The comments?
Read the comments?
Yeah, yeah.
He's confuzzled.
Who?
What?
Who?
Damien, bro.
Oh. Okay. The eggs?
Alright, hold on.
Can I have a napkin?
We need 1 cup of water.
Napkin?
1 cup of agua.
Wait, 8 ounces.
We pre-did the measuring, so.
Hey, no.
Then this is.
No. Pause. Ounces.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of water. And that's why I put the bottle right here.
What do you want?
The bottle? The bottle?
Water bottle? How much did you put of water?
8 ounces?
Mm-hmm.
8 ounces?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know.
What?
So.
8 ounces?
Mm-hmm. 6.
Of water.
Mm.
8 ounces of water. Yes? No?
Here, let me just tell you what we need.
You need it. 1 cup is 8 ounces.
We need 1 cup of water.
It's 8 ounces. 8 ounces.
6 ounces? Is
No,
it
8.
8 ounces?
Yeah.
Just go like this. Go like this for 8 ounces. It's much easier. No, 4. Okay, so this is 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water going in, right? So, and then we need
4.
for what?
Oil.
Oil, yeah.
Oil?
How much oil did you put in the cup?
I don't know.
Okay, wait, guess we didn't do a pre-mix. So we need 4 ounces of oil.
It's half a cup. Okay.
Do we have a whisker or no?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
No.
No. Right here.
Right here. Well, we have a big one and a small one.
The big one.
A big one and a small.
The big one.
A half a cup.
Who's whisking?
I guess this is the half
Who's
a
whisking?
cup of oil.
Who? Who's whisking? Who's whisking?
You what?
Who's whisking?
Whisk it.
Who's who? Who?
Who's gonna whisk
Yeah.
it? Whoever wants to whisk it.
Oh.
I'm putting the oil. Oh, yeah, said he's gonna whisk it.
Okay. You're putting the butter?
All right, go ahead and whisk it, bud.
It already smells like burnt.
Nah, mames.
I can whisk.
I should probably whisk it because I can see.
Can you read the comments?
I don't know what you said.
Can you read them?
Oh, to read the
Yeah.
comments. No, let me whisk it a little bit more. Let me get my whiskey gang going on right here. You know what I'm saying, man?
Where's the napkin? Ooh. Girl, it was hot.
They said, hi, Victor. Victor can't talk right now. All right, guys. So the mix is ready for the cake.
We're gonna do that.
The mix is ready, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's ready. You want to pour it? You can hear my music?
Girl!
You want to pour it? Ready?
He's listening to Sexy Red? Girl!
Bro, I can see it. I'm still making a mess. Here, put that in the sink, please. You got it? Alright, guys, so we have the
Did you
batter in
Did you
here,
use the
ready to go
silicone?
into the
Did
oven.
you use the silicone sponge to take everything out? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, we already did that.
Yeah, okay.
It's in here, ready to go into the oven. And we're gonna have Melissa put the frosting on this bad boy once it comes out. Are y'all ready?
Am I gonna be able to take off my blindfold for the... No? What are we gonna...
Shoot, yeah, Melissa's gonna do the frosting.
Yeah,
I think you got it.
I got it.
Yeah, we're not gonna do nothing. We're just gonna put on a little plate for you.
Should I take DoorDash some food or
Yeah, I
not?
know what you're saying right now.
Yeah. Should I DoorDash
Go
some food or
help
not?
him out.
He needs help. Next video.
Well, I don't know what you're trying to say, bro. Straw? Hungry? Eat?
That I wanted DoorDash food.
Huh?
DoorDash food. Like they go and bring
Knock, knock,
food
knock.
like here to eat. No? No?
How long is it supposed to be there for?
Read the box.
¿Ya lo meto or no? 30 minutes. That's a long time, bro.
Yeah. How thick is it? Did you guys use the
We'll
little
check
one
it.
or the big one?
Wait. Top or middle?
Did you guys use the big one or the little one?
We use the circle one.
The circle. In the middle.
It's like all the way to the top.
In the middle.
Huh?
No, it's good. In the middle.
That is gonna like grow over it.
No. No.
No? Just put it in there? Hopefully In-N-Out sponsors us because I'm wearing the hat.
Hold on, bro.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Where's the cake at? Right here.
What?
Well,
It's good. It's
yeah,
good.
Okay.
There you go. Sorry.
I don't know what the
Bro, he's putting you on the tabla.
No.
Hey.
I feel like you need a lock, you know? Am I doing pretty good already?
Am I screaming?
A little bit.
Okay. Oh no. Wait, no, do it.
All I have to do is like sooner.
Huh? I can't hear you.
Am I doing a good job?
Oh, you're doing good. Because I. Ahora que tú quieras.
Auntie, I'm
You ripped off a whole part, bro.
Did I?
No, tienes. No.
What? You guys want to try it? Where's the thing at?
She gave him the sprinkles. Tembo beligone.
Did I do the sense good already or no?
She said no.
Does it have enough or does it need more?
Bro, I can't hear you.
Does it have enough or does it need more?
More, she said.
More?
He looks at me like I can hear him. What?
Let me do it. My mom.
Wait,
my
more? Spread it more that way. More up. Wait. I can't hear you. More up. You're dropping it all, buddy. No, bro.
It's easy when you can see, bro. No cut.
Mm-hmm.
There.
My mom used to bake cakes for those of you that didn't know. If you guys had a quinceañera or something, my mom probably made that cake and you're on no cap.
Mm-hmm.
Here, who else wants to try?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
He said, I'm about to wake everybody up. Am I really yelling? I can't.
Girl, oh, I didn't do that bad.
No cheating. No, bro, no cheating.
I'm confused right now.
Come on now. He can't see, guys.
Is it open?
No. Yeah. Look at the ugliest.
Open the ones you
Those
guys
are
want.
like the bolas.
Open the ones you guys want. Open which one do you want?
Oh.
Open it.
Bow, 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 bow. Yeah or no? She said perfect.
More?
Or let me see. Let me.
There?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What else do you guys want to add to
All
it?
done?
Some
You
whipped
have a
cream.
candle?
Whipped cream.
You have a candle or no?
Ah, some whipped cream on the edge. Bro, I think I made a dope cake, no cap.
Or caramel? I think we're gonna do caramel. Yeah? Don't put a lot here. I think that's enough. Huh?
Is it?
Yeah, it's good. I think we're all done.
No whipped cream?
Let's show the video.
No whipped cream?
We don't have none.
Cold foam. Alright. Damn, I did good, fool. I did a good job.
Jose said good.
Bet.
Garde chagrin.